Hello friends, today I present to you how to create 100 short videos with just one click using AI, without editing through one website to make a lot of money. Let's get started. Go to Google and type Woxo and search. Then click on the first result. This is the website's interface, which contains a large collection of videos created through it, and the results are amazing. The website helps you increase your views on YouTube and TikTok through the videos you create and allows you to earn money from them. But first, let's start by signing up on the website. Click on Sign Up here. You can sign up using your email if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, create, but I'll sign up using my email. Here you'll find many videos created through the website, and the results are fantastic, whether it's about historical stories, facts, or other topics. Here are the subscription plans of the website. There's a free plan that allows you to create 40 videos, which we will use in this example. This plan offers 500 videos, and this one provides 2,000 videos. But we will use the free plan. Here's the website interface. There are ready-made ideas for creating videos that you can use, but I will type in the idea to create videos. For example, I'll ask it to create 10 videos about facts and information on human bodies, animals, history, and more. Then click here. You can use the appropriate style for your video. There are many styles, both free and paid, but I will choose this style because I think it's suitable for my video and it's free. Here's the video language option. These are the available languages you can choose from for your video. I will choose English. Here, there are many voice options to choose from. You can select the one that fits your video, or you can let the AI choose for you. I'll let the AI pick for me. There are also many fonts you can choose from. I will pick this font and make it black. Here, you can choose the text transitions in the video. I'll leave them as they are. You can also add music to the video that is royalty-free, but I prefer not to. Let's continue by clicking on Apply, then Generate, and wait for a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed until the video export is completed. These are the results of the 10 videos. They look more than amazing. Let's try one of the videos, for example, and see part of the result.
Ever seen a bird dance? Let's dive into animal antics. Peacocks flaunt their feathers to attract mates. Wow, right? Did you know some frogs can freeze without dying? Incredible. The male seahorse carries the babies. Talk about role reversal. Ants can lift 50 times their weight. Tiny but mighty, huh? Some octopuses can change color to blend in. Masters of disguise.
Wow, really great result and excellent video quality. Let's try part of another video.
Did you know that ancient Romans used urine as mouthwash? In the 1800s, people believed in mummy unwrapping parties. The shortest war in history lasted just 30 festival where people throw beans at demons. Napoleon.
Also fantastic. Here, you can edit the video, like adding your own text to a particular scene or changing and modifying any scene in the video. Here, you can change the video style. Here, you can change the character's voice. Here, you can change the video font. I will change the font and its color. Here, you can add music and click on Apply Changes and wait a few seconds to see the result.
Ever seen a bird dance? Let's dive into animal antics. Peacocks flaunt their feathers to attract mates. Wow, right? Did you know some frogs can freeze without dying? Incredible. The male seahorse carries the babies.
It has become even more amazing. Here, the website provides you with a title, description, and hashtags to publish the video on any platform like TikTok, YouTube, and others. These 10 videos that have been created can be downloaded or edited. Finally, I hope you found the website useful. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear your opinions in the comments, and stay tuned for many more videos in the coming days. Goodbye!